YouTube? It's your girl Naturally coming at you with another makeup tutorial / outfit of the day. So this is the look that I'm going to be doing for you today, and if you like this look, then feel free to stay and tune in for more. Now I must warn you, because I was late this morning, I had to hurry up and get ready, finish my makeup at the church. So this setting is going to be a little bit off, the lighting may be off, but this is the finished look. I did touch up my makeup as soon as I got home because, like I said, I just wanted to do something decent just to make it in service in time. I came home and I finished this look so you guys can have the full complete look. So what you guys didn't see in the video is that the same shadow that I applied to the crease, I applied to the bottom lash line, and the shimmery shadow that I applied onto the brow bone, I applied onto the inner corner of my eye. So yeah, that is it. Enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay blessed. Oh, and happy Sunday. Church was amazing. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. So let's see, I may have to film the makeup tutorial at the church, considering the fact that I'm running late and I want to be and I have rehearsal for praise and worship. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial and outfit of the day, and yeah, stay blessed. Hey y'all, so I'm back now. I'm at the church. I'll be filming my makeup tutorial right here in this here bathroom. So I've already started on this brown, and I'm going to begin on this brown. I'm going to be using my Morphe palette, and I'm going to be using this color right here for my brows. Like so. Okay, and now I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro concealer color Warm Honey to conceal my brows. Like so. Now I will also use the same concealer, and I'm going to use it as my eyeshadow base. Okay, and now I'm going to be using my Revlon Luxury Baking Powder to set the base. To take my Morphe palette, I'm going to use these two colors right here for the brow bone. Okay, so now I'm going to use these two colors right here, and I'm going to apply them onto my crease. Dang, check this out. Ooh, you look cute. Let me tell you. Alright y'all, I had to change location, so I'm going to use that color right here, and I'm going to apply it onto my eyelid. Okay y'all, so now it's time for the contour. So I'll be using my LA Girl Pro concealer using the shade Fawn, and I am going to use that as my highlight. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Revlon Luxury Banana Powder to bake. I do. Yeah, she looks just like her mom when she was doing that. How's your mom doing? She's doing good. Look, I just got home not too long ago and I decided to do a little touch up because remember I told y'all that when I'm outside I don't like to put foundation on and all that stuff because it wipes off with the mask. So this is the finished look. Y'all excuse the glue, I was rushing this morning so my face could be done in enough time before service starts. So yeah, this is the look. And now for the outfit of the day. Okay, y'all, so this is the outfit of the day. This is what I wore to church. This shirt I got from H&M. Yes, this shirt I got from H&M. This skirt I got from H&M. And this purse I got from Call It Spring. These are the shoes that I'm wearing and they're from H&M as well. So yeah, this is the outfit of the day. I hope you guys like this video. Box braids by me. Okay, so that's it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial and the outfit of the day. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial slash outfit of the day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram at Naturally TV for more pics. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a blessed day.